Okay, we are gonna play some cats. $30 a spin. What do we get? $10. All right, it made all that noise. All right, what do we get? $28 for all that. Here we go. $40. All right, that's our best hit so far. Our bonus, first bonus here on kitty cats. All right, as my daughter would say, kitty cats. Let's go. Come on, something good. Connect. Come on. All right, $100. Come on. No. 2 more spins left. Last spin. Come on. Make it count. Oh boy, $100? That's terrible. That's it. $100 on a $30 bet. All right. I guess I'll take it. That's $20. You know what? I'm gonna change to Twin Win or Wolf Run. What do you think? Twin Win it is. All right. Let's do it. Oh man, this is awful. All right, we'll take it, I guess. All right, the machine is telling me it needs more money, so let's give it what it wants. We'll dump another couple hundred in here. Yeah? We'll give it a couple more spins and we're gonna switch to Wolf Run. Yeah. Jesus. All right, let's get off this game and go to Wolf Run. All right, $40 a spin. Man, this is an expensive game. We're already done. Holy Jesus. All right. You know what? Let's go to Noah's Ark. We are going to switch. All right. Noah's Ark. All right, bear with me, guys. We are switching machines here. I like Noah's Ark. All right. Okay. I got an extra ticket here for... What do I got here? Like $30 or something like that. Okay. Let's go. All right. 115 on the first spin. Good. I believe the camels are the top symbol there. Let's change to 25-cent denom. You know, that's $7.50. Let's go $15 a spin. Ooh. Hey, come on. Be nice. Boy, there's nothing going on in this machine. Ooh, one more. And we would have had 10 spins. Oh, baby. One more. All right, what do we do here? Should we... Let's see what more games come. Got the Twin Win on here, Rich Girl, Lobster Mania. All right. Twin Win or Noah's Ark? Twin Win? Okay. We're gonna go back to Twin Win here, and we're gonna go to $1. Let's go. Oh my God! Hold on a minute. That's 15 and 1. All right. All right. All right. Come on. We'll have plenty of animals connecting by the double. There we go. $110. Ooh, one more ace would have given us 200. Come on. You know what? I'm gonna stop this. I like the, hold on a minute. Okay, we're gonna stop right there, guys. We're gonna call this not a good session and end it right here. All right, guys, thanks so much. Catch us on the next one.